How to delete BeReal account. Quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to delete your BeReal account. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your BeReal account, and this is where you will get. In order to delete your account, you have to go to your profile. So I'm going to click on my profile icon at the top right corner. Once you click on it, then you have to click on these three dots at the top right corner, which is the menu and settings. It will open up your settings for you, and you can see you have to navigate to the help section in settings. This is the help section where you can find FAQs, share BeReal, rate, and contact us. So you have to click on contact us, and this will give you a few options. The last option is going to be delete my account. Click on delete my account. If you have 2 seconds, we will love to know why you want to delete. So you're just going to select the reason for deleting the account. I don't understand, I don't use BeReal enough, too many bugs, or not enough friends, or other. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select third option, click on yes, I am sure, and your account will be deleted. After 15 days, if you do not log in, it will be deleted permanently. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.